Welcome to our 60-second look at Azure Machine Learning Designer. Azure Machine Learning Designer offers a user-friendly, drag-and-drop interface to build machine learning pipelines. In Designer, your building blocks are assets, which include data, models, and components. You can easily access any asset that you have permission to. From the library on the left, components in Azure Machine Learning are like functions. They have a name, inputs, outputs, and a specific task they perform in your pipeline. There are predefined components that split data, train, score, and eval. These can all be dragged to the designer. Once they are on the designer, you can connect the data and components by dragging connections between them on the canvas. When you have all your data and components connected, submit your pipeline and then run it. Finally, evaluate your results and make changes where needed. You're all set. Thanks for watching.